What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain. If you're new here, I make videos on personal finance, how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. Hey, I started the Robinhood challenge for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some stock using my free link below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate you. Today's video is about Vroom. It is a new stock that has just IPO'd, and so you guys know I try to put you on game first with all the things you need to know about the stock market, new stocks that's hitting the market that you might want to take a look at, and nothing else, add to your watch list. But before we hop into it, let's take a look at my portfolio and see how we doing on the day. Okay, as you can see, I'm currently sitting at $30,880.97. On the day, I'm down around 1%. On the week, I am up over 4%. On the month, I am up over 14.5%. And if I take you guys 3 months out, I am up over 20%. Listen, man, I want to thank you guys in advance for being here. We're going to open up a free stock on the day and get some shout outs. This one comes from Kenetta. And Kenetta, I want to just say thank you, man. You guys know when you get a stock, I get a stock, and it's a win-win for both of us. We're going to go with the one in the middle, hoping for something good. And we got ticker symbol AR for 1 share, $3.91. I can't thank you guys enough for using the free link below. Again, the stock market is a game we need to be playing. I'm just happy you guys are here now. And without further ado, let's hop into Vroom. It is ticker symbol VRM, and it is currently over $50 right now. And so listen, man, this stock just hit the market. If you guys don't know what this is a used car platform similar to Carvana, okay? And so they're coming into the game trying to take some market share, believing that instead of just being local, that you can order or buy a used car from anywhere on the planet, okay? And so that's what they're making and staking their claim in. You're trying to come into the game and establish a position in the used car space. Market Watch featured them, and it talked about how the stock doubled post the company's IPO. If you check this out, man, the shares of online used car seller Vroom rose more than 100% yesterday. And so on the first day of trading, the initial public offering was as high as $45. Remember, they jumped into the game at $22, and so already they have shot up over $45. But the thing I want you guys to know about new IPO stocks, typically when they come out, I can take you guys back to Facebook, Snapchat, any particular stock you want to talk about, Tesla. Every new IPO, some take off right out the gate, but most IPOs always have a pullback. Some even come lower than what they jumped out the game at. And so for this particular stock, I want you guys, if you're going to consider this new play, keep in mind they jumped in the game at 22. It is a very strong chance that they fall below 22, maybe 17, 15, 13. And if you do plan on adding this to your portfolio, I would just say look to get it on the pullback and at a much lower price point. Again, that's what the risks of these new IPOs are, but this is how you build wealth, man. If you get this and ride this up at $10 and then say it shoots up to $100 and you done already bought 100, 200, 300 shares, this is how you guys triple your worth in the stock market on taking advantage of companies like this. I'm not saying this is one particular that's going to do that. I'm just saying how to play an IPO in a new stock that enters the game. Listen, man, I hope that was helpful. Now it's time for our question of the day. And our question of the day comes from Adam Reed. And Adam said, just found your channel the other day. Great content. I rode Genius up on pre-run and held 20 minutes too long. Got back in at 4:55 and can't wait to see what happens next. Listen, Adam, salute to you, bro. I thank you for 1, leaving a comment, and 2, I love the mindset about everything you laid out here. A lot of people, man, if they humble enough to admit they took a loss in stocks like Genius, they take a loss in stocks like NAT, they take a loss in stock like Hurt and all those other speculative plays that sometimes new beginners jump into. But what I like about this, and one reason why I highlighted this particular question, was he jumped and rode it. He was 20 minutes too late, meaning he held on. Sometimes, man, there's a tendency to get greedy on stocks that you know you can make a killing on in a short amount of time. He admitted this. He was transparent about the fact he took 20 minutes too long. However, at the same time, on the way back down, he didn't give up. He didn't get discouraged. He didn't blame nobody else. He said, you know what, man, I'm getting back into this one at 455. Look at now how his cost basis is lower. And again, he has just increased his chance for a double up potentially, because his cost basis is much lower. And so now if this stock go to 6, if this stock goes to 8, Adam can come out of this and make up for what he may have lost on last week's play. Again, man, the stock market, when you guys play these more riskier plays, it's all about getting in and getting out and being smart. You guys know I'm a long-term dividend investor, and so my game is a little bit different, but I have no problem helping you guys out on the journey and teaching you how to move in the game. So if you like this video, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.